Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. Alright, welcome back to the OTOP series, which is One Target, One Purpose, on the episode 112, and that's for the week 26 September year 2022. This is the last week of September. Alright, and last week we have a very volatile market, and Dow Jones had a big fall, and the global market also dived massively. Alright, and the reasons are because the US Federal Reserve increased interest rates by 75 basis points, and that's 0.75%. And the Bank of England also increased interest rate by 50 basis points, all right, bringing the benchmark rate up to a level of 2.25, which is the highest since 2008. Well, and dollar yen has topped the 24-year low at 145, all right, US dollar against Japanese yen. And after the Bank of Japan intervened, then the dollar yen rate actually came off to 140 and now jumped back to 143 for the weekend close. All right, and of course the euro against the USD again dropped below the par level, which is below 1.0. So it's a very volatile week and all the stocks are coming down, but the US dollar, all right, which is indicated by dollar index, we call the USDT, has gone up to 112.80 at the 20-year high since 2002. So everything is very volatile, it whipsaw, and well, we have to be cautious. All right, so these are all the things that is causing a big whipsaw in the market. But not forgetting, we are here stressing again, all right, for many months that we said that the market will be going into a big doldrum, all right, until the end of the year, because we are expecting 2 more interest rate hikes from the US, and most likely we are expecting a market crash, all right, in the early year on the first quarter of 2023. All right, listen up. This is a prediction of market crash because of the rate hike cycle chopping up, all right, to a very expensive borrowing cost. So in this OTOP One Target, One Purpose episode 112, what are we going to cover? All right, very simple. Just stay tuned and don't forget to like us. Definitely you will get something back. And of course, congratulations to those people that took our advice last week that we mentioned about YCL, which is the 2 times yen ETF, all right, which will back some profits for you if you have gone in. All right, a quick revision here. The US market Dow Jones on Friday closed at a loss of 486 points, and S&P fell 64 points, and Nasdaq fell 198 points. Well, all the stock prices fell across the board, and gold prices also traded lower. All right, closing price at $1,651 per ounce, whereby the WTI crude prices also sank below $80 per barrel, down to 79.43 based on Friday close. Well, so this week we are moving to the last week of September, and we are expecting a continual whipsaw sideways trend in the market. So, well, it's really difficult to pick something, but still, we are here to share with you our valuable market opinion. OTOP 112 right here waiting, and don't go away. Well, before we start, let us do a small revision. This is the ProShares Ultra Yen trading in NYSE. All right, the ticker symbol is YCL. This is what we actually shared in our market opinions last week. Okay, although the market has not been going up a lot, but we are saying that it is bottoming out, and the downside room is very limited, but the eventual rebounds room on the top side moving in the next 3 to 6 months, it is simply tremendous. All right, so if anyone who have not gone in, all right, take a second look. But if anyone who has gone in and hold this ETF counter, well, it's a hold. Stay tuned. All right, good things have been moving, and be patient. Things are coming. All right, things are coming. So this week, what are we going to share with you? Let us take a look at the Dow Jones first, so we are able to give a very quick run through on what we're expecting. Well, if we are looking at Dow Jones here, it is almost reaching a temporary support, but we believe that in the next 1 month after the bottom out, there will be a small recovery, a small technical recovery. But of course, in the long term, over the year end to early next year, we are still looking at the fall. But since we are looking at a small recovery, sideways to recovery, we are going to take some advantage. And what is the best way to pick Dow Jones here? All right, near to the level of maybe 29,000. Well, we are looking at another ETFs here, and inverse ETF temporarily if we are looking at Dow Jones to be going a bit lower before it rebounds. Okay, so today we are looking at this ETF called the GDGX. All right. Oh, sorry, it's GDXD. Okay, GDXD, and what is this? This is a 3 times inverse leveraged ETN. All right, on the micro gold miner. All right, well, we are looking at the Dow Jones and the stock prices to be going sideways, and most likely, well, we are thinking that the funds will be moving out from the commodities like gold prices for the time being and crude prices in order to move into the stocks for trying to pick a bottom. So the gold prices probably will be looking on the downside, okay, with a little bit more room in the next 1 to 2 weeks. So, well, I think trading an inverse ETF on gold related counters may be, well, able to bring you some small profits. All right, so let's take a look at the GDXD here. What is this? This is the micro sectors gold miners, which belongs to all these small gold miners ETN. All right, 3 times. If you look at here, there's a very clear breakup trend. All right, breakup trend, and of course the top side could be about $30. So it's a small room, but take a look at this. And if you are not looking to take any action, but keep track of this. So this week, well, we are looking at good support. All right, it has formed a run-up gap here above $26, closing at $27.90. So on Monday or Tuesday, if we're able to capture anything below $28, hopefully back to 27. The top side is about 30 to 32, 31, $32. All right, so it may not be a big room here, but well, this is a very close shave and very small potential profit amid all the other whipsaws among many market counters. All right, so OTOP 112, DW World Equity Time. This week we are sharing a small potential on this GDXD. All right, and don't go away. Next week in the OTOP 113, we shall be back same right here at the timing of 9 a.m. Singapore time, Hong Kong time. So come back and we shall talk to you again.